G'day guys, it's Donny's Hot Tip here. Now don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay, today we've got a great little hot tip for you guys. Now I'll bring you up closely just to give you guys a bit of an idea. See, you got these black jeans, right? There's silt on them. It might be from the washing machine or from the night before on the big night out, boys. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to clean them up, right? You haven't got time to put them in the washing machine, haven't got time to do anything. Buy these little brushes, mate, alright? It's just like a washing machine, especially when you're travelling overseas, mate. Haven't got a lot of time to do the washing, right? Alright, so a quick wash, mate. Doesn't take very much long. You want to make sure you're getting those. Make sure you get the front. So I always do the front first, right? Because sometimes you may forget the back, right? At least you're looking good in the front, right? That's the people are most looking, mate. Except for the ladies, mate. They might be checking out your bum. So you want to make sure, you know, you tidy that area up there like so. 'Cause, you know, you want to give her a nice view there. Alright, and then you come around the other side. And look, it doesn't take very long at all, mate. And you'll be looking like a Prince Charming, alright? So there you go, guys. They're all tidied up. You know, you get a little bit more fancy. You're getting all those corners. That's what I like to do, right? And then you come over the back, do another quick job, and boom. There you go, guys. It's Donny's Hot Tip, and I'll see you on the next one.